Hi everyone, welcome to this 3-bedroom condo at Robin Walk. So these homeowners here, they love to travel and they collect a lot of art pieces and ornaments. All these art pieces, they become tangible memories for them, and they've worked hard to use all these art pieces to create a space of their own. So let's have a look. The space encompasses a variety of styles, time periods, as well as different finishes, different shapes and textures, such as Oriental and Balinese, to name a few, but it ties in together with a central theme of dark walls and earthy tones. I really love what we did to this dining area, especially the lights over here. The homeowner really just walked past a shop, purchased these bird cages. She called me up and then we came down, we brainstormed how to install the light bulbs in there. Voila! And now let's head into the kitchen. The homeowners wanted like shaker style cabinets. And these laminates are selected to be anti-fingerprint, especially if we are doing with dark solid colors. What we selected here were brass handles that were bought from La Barbella. Together with the navy blue color, it works perfectly. The tabletop here and the backsplash is from Scissorstone Outdoor Collection. On top of the usual non-porous, easy maintenance and high durability, the additional benefit of this outdoor series is that it will not discolor. All these appliances are from Fisher & Paykel. Amazing stuff that they have, and this hidden hood, I bet you didn't notice that. There's this additional cabinet to conceal the rubbish chute inside as well. What we did was to extend this area out to act as a breakfast counter at a very cozy area. This is a good place to just chill and have my coffee. And now one of the favorite part of the house for me is this WC. It's so sexy. What we did here was half-cut fish scale walls. The other half part of this wall is done with customized mural. It really transports you to Amazon rainforest. Let's step into the pantry with me. This used to be at a utility area, so they wanted to transform this into their pantry area where they can prepare their coffee, make some teas, and also what we did was to erect this full-height shelving all the way to the top to display all their items. And over here is a full-height cabinet that we customized to make sure that their luggage can be kept inside. Corner spaces are hard to use. This mechanism from Hefele, woohoo! It maximizes the space inside and easily accessible. Voila! So coming in here to the living area, mostly all their decorative items, all their vintage pieces. So what I did to this dining and living area is really just to paint the walls dark green and even the ceiling as well. Sometimes people would feel that it's a bit scary to be really dark, but as you can see, it actually provides a very different feel and a vibe to it. Do not be afraid of the dark. Over here, there's no shortage of place to sit and chill, and they really love our greens. So as you can see, all the places are filled with like live green plants. For the balcony as well, we did some landscaping work with this mini tree over there and this vertical plant wall here. Moving on to the bedrooms. Oh, first, let me show you the common bathroom. Come. So the bathrooms, they are cladded with marble mosaic tiles, specifically fish scale wall tiles and mini hexagon tiles for the flooring. We specifically selected the thick wood from Gray & Sanders and mounted it for the wash basin. Also in line with the whole house, we selected this brass finish accessories and fittings as well. And coming into the master bedroom, this is their queen-size bed with a very Balinese bed frame with a really vintage and rustic side tables. And these lights are from Journey East. So this is a built-in cabinet that we did with shaker style as well, in line with the whole bathrooms and accessories. They are with brass handles and knobs as well. One of the best features of this master bedroom is the ensuite master bathroom. Let's take a look. The first thing that you notice when you enter this ensuite bathroom is the his and hers basin. It's a beautiful piece with the same teak wood that we've selected to act as the tabletop. Same as the common bathroom, half-tiled wall with fish scale tiles. Coming in here would be this really huge shower area that they have. So one thing you'll notice about this house is that it's in line with all brass fittings, like the tabs, the hangers and everything, as well as the switches. All the switches and knobs, turn on and off, all these are from Sol Luminette, Buster and Punch. They match the entire space perfectly. So coming in here, all these ornaments and pieces have their own stories and some meaning to the homeowners themselves. Over here is a painter's table. It fits the entire space very nicely. And coming in here is a hidden bed. They just wanted this to be an extra guest room when required, as well as a hidden TV that is in here. And here we are at the study cum workroom. This is where they have their Zoom calls, do their work. And behind me is this beautiful, amazing display cabinet. Right at the bottom here is for more storage items. And here we customize it in such a way where the shelves are adjustable. And over here they needed a tall space to put this particular piece. It's also finished with the navy blue with brass fittings to be coherent with the entire feel of the house. See what you want to put in your space, customize it in accordance to what you have. So this brings us to the end of today's showcase. Remember that when you design your place, make sure that you find things that have memories, have meaning to yourself. And when you have all these things, you can just piece them together. Then it makes it into a space that you can call your home. Once again, my name is Winstar from Noble Interior, and I will see you for our next video.